Hello, my name is Chief Kovian. I am the designer of the 15th MI SharePoint portal. And today I'm going to be teaching you how to make a new page. So let's get started. First thing you're going to do is navigate to the top left-hand side of your page. If you have administrator rights, you should have the same menu as me. On the drop-down menu, you're going to select New Site. On the first page, you're going to select Team Site, and you're going to assign a title to that site. My site's name is going to be Test. Right below the name of the site, you're going to put the name of the URL. It's going to be the link to your site. So we're also going to call that Test. And hit Create. Alright, we have arrived at your new site. As you can see, it's pretty plain, yet you can still get around by using this little folder in the top left. See, you can see you're still a subsite of the 15th MI. So what we're going to do is we're going to fix your navigation. First thing you should do is fix your navigation so that you can get around and you don't get lost. Alright, so you still know how to get back. So to do that, the first thing we're going to do is go down to the bottom at Site Settings, go to Navigation, and on this screen here, this is the global navigation. Global navigation is the navigation on top. And if you see over here, it's got a little picture to show you that it's the top navigation menu from the top. And what we're going to do is we're going to select the top option, which is display the same navigation as the parent site. And the parent to our site is the 15th MI main site. That is our parent. So we're going to select that, and right below that, the current navigation menu. This is going to show you. This is what it's going to show here on the left-hand side. This is the current navigation. So for that, we're going to select the same as the parent as well. And down here, it gives you a little preview. This is what it was going to be looking like. And these things you see on there, they are like default libraries. You can delete those if you don't want to have nothing on the left. I like to delete those because I don't like that on there. That doesn't link. It doesn't go anywhere, so it just gets users confused. So we're gonna set everything as parent, and this bottom option here, the ribbon, we're gonna put no, and we're gonna hit OK. When you apply those settings, now you can go back to your site and see that now you have navigation. You can get around now. You can get back out of there, and you can get back in there without problems. All right. So by default, your new site is going to come with an image on the right hand side. It's going to come with this getting started links down here. It's going to come with shared documents where you can upload files, and it comes with a generic description of the site here on top. So what we are going to do is first things first, right? You're going to go to Site Actions and View All Site Content. This is going to show you of your new page. What can you put on your new page, right? So by default, it comes with tasks, links, calendars, announcements, and that's about it. And team discussion. Those are the things that you can put on your page. So at a minimum, we should have contacts. So to do that, we go here to List and Contacts. So we add contacts. We name it Contacts. Okay. Let's go back to our page. And we do that again. All site content. We already have a calendar, so we're good to go. We have a shared documents. We have links. I think we have enough things to get started with our page. So let's go back to the page. All right, on here, you already added all those items to your page, to the main source of your page. So what you're gonna do now is display the items that you have available on your page. You're gonna display them on the front of your page, right? So to do that, you wanna go to Edit Page, select the area where you wanna insert your new item, click Insert, and those items that you added, they're called web parts. So you're gonna come here and click Add, Insert Web Part, and here are all your items. So let's add our contacts to the top of the page. Right, see, now we have contacts. Let's separate. Normally you want to leave some space between the contacts. Let's undo that. Let's undo that. Well, let's leave it there for now. So here you want to customize like welcome to my test page. And here, if you want, you can put a quick description of what this page is about, right? So this will be a collaboration page for a project. Okay, so we have a page name, we have a description. You can change the image by clicking on the image and hitting Insert Picture. Browse for a image. Let's see what we got. We'll put this image on there. And what you're doing is basically you're overriding. You're writing the old image with the new one. You're overriding it. Yep, there it is. So this is huge. So let's make it small. You just change the size here on top on your menu bar. Okay, so now that we have a description, contacts, and shared documents where we can collaborate, usually the collaboration area is going to be documents. You can add documents and other people can modify them, and you can keep track of who's modifying your documents throughout your project. Here on the right hand side, we are going to insert a web part. Let's save. Okay, so let's go to Edit again. Insert web part. We're going to put links on the right hand side. That's usually the layout, the standard layout we have within the 15th MI for our pages. All of our pages should have at least contacts, a set of documents or tools, and normally, if needed, they'll have a calendar at the bottom, and on the right hand side they have a links to commonly used tools and tools. So that's it. At this point, you have a very basic page, and where you can add contacts, information. You can add everybody who's related to this particular project page or area, and you can add your documents that you're going to be collaborating with, and you have your tools here on the right. You can add your links to useful websites that are going to be relevant to the content of the page. So that's about it. This is Chief Kobian. Thanks for watching.